name is Abby Clark. I'm a bowler at Augustana College. I actually wasn't originally focusing on bowling in college. I was looking for a school with my major, hoping that there was a chance they would have a bowling team where I could continue, and I just happened to find a perfect match. I was already used to smaller classroom sizes, and I felt really uncomfortable when I visited larger campuses, so everybody being friendly and welcoming just created a nice community environment. Everyone knows bowling from when they go cosmic bowling or just go for a birthday party, but they don't see it as an actual college sport.
This is a very hard sport, mentally and physically, because when you get down to it, if you really look at the professional side of bowling, the college side of bowling, those are real athletes out there. I mean, they're doing things that other people can't really do to that degree.
I've taken a lot of trips in the geology department. One was even before I started as a freshman. We left campus and went on pretty much a 2-week camping trip throughout the Rocky Mountains. So it was really nice because one, I already got to know 2 professors in the major that I wanted, and other than that, I came in with 12 or 11 friends.
It's the passion and the analytical mind that she has that it helps her succeed at anything that she does, that she puts that passion into.
Bowling has definitely helped with that. Being with other girls that are very similar and that you can get along with and just be friends with, just boosts your confidence, I feel like. On the lanes especially, but then off the lanes. Your team is always in your corner.